Darjeeling Hill Marathon Association for International Marathon and Distance Races and IAAF International Association of Athletic Federation. So anybody who is participating in this marathon will be
all the people who are out in Chaurasta every morning, either doing gymming, boxing, doing their taekwondo, it is now being seen as like a destination for fitness. So I was there talking about how Darjeeling can, and how Darjeeling has really changed. But there is something that has, I was talking about how
organized by Darjeeling Police under the leadership of SP Dr. Santosh Nivalkar, IPS. So please kindly go online and fill the registration through the link given below.
In Darjeeling, but I will not reveal his name just now. Now, in part of the press conference, we will get introduced to him also. But again, I will tell you that will be a big surprise for Darjeeling. The singer who is in the top now in the YouTube in the whole country, he will come here and perform live in our marathon. Thank you. I will invite SP sir now to launch our promo video.
Friends from clubs, NGOs, and Zamling, our very own Zamling and Nana.
DP Singh we have called because of he is a blade runner, and on that day he is the right person to run, the right person to inaugurate the run. And secondly, we have called this beautiful singer. You know he is running very busy. We were not getting the dates, as well as his fee was too much. But again, we have used our channels through Bombay DCP and that DCP. Again, we press. And he is from Uttarakhand, like our counterpart from other side, from Nepal. Nepal is in between, but Uttarakhand on that side. So he is again a Pahadi guy, but he is very famous. Sher Shah movie you may have seen. He had singer, all the songs we are having from him. So this will be again thinking of he, because we are having here sports culture, beautiful music culture. People love the music, and we can place him as an ideal for our youth. Again, he is very famous. He is going to London. After that, very busy. But we have praise from our side. So again, the run for unity, which is the need of time. You have seen in video also the promo, starting from the down, the youth is running, one young guy is running through a background of our all the heritages. There is a Gumpha, there is a like masjid is there, here the Mahakal temple is there. So all, if we unite, then and then only we can take the things ahead. This is our, again, the theme for this marathon, and I wish a lot of participation from all of you. Will make it a famous event, and thank you for coming again. The Nodong sir and the Vikram, they are always there for support, and the Samaj. Last time we have seen a lot of support, enthusiasm from their side. So this time also I am expecting the same. Thank you. Daju is there.
21K marathon. And now moving on to the 10K.
Jadpaniya Keystone Marathon. Special case and especially thanks to हाम्रो SP sir, Dr. Santosh उहाँको नेतृत्वमा यो गेम्समा जति पनि स्पोर्ट्समा प्रमोट हुँदैछ, जितने भी प्रमोट हो रहा है, हिंदी में बोला जाता है कि दूसरा जगह का भी बहुत सी लोग आया होगा चीज़ों से. So जितने भी गेम्स में स्पोर्ट्स में especially any kind of sports, football, not only football, volleyball, basketball, cricket, and as well as athletics. ये इन हाफ मैराथन, ये 10K और 21K, ये भी दार्जिलिंग पुलिस की तरफ से 8 years कंटिन्यूसली ये एक सस्टेन रखना, कंटिन्यूसली रखना मुश्किल हो सकता है. स्टार्ट करना कोई भी इजी है, लेकिन सस्टेनेबल रहना बहुत डिफिकल्ट है. एंड थैंक्स टू एंटायर दार्जिलिंग स्पोर्ट्स लवर हर स्पोर्ट्स नॉट ओनली मैराथन, हर एक स्पोर्ट्स क्लबर्स को थैंक यू सो मच. सो आई होप इन फ्यूचर वी कैन प्रोड्यूस मोर एथलीट्स फ्रॉम आवर गेम. Not only me, not only Baichung, not only Sunil Dai, not only Israel Gurung, Nagin Tamang. We want to know more players, more athletes from our entire Darjeeling Hills, North Bengal, entire North Bengal. So please support the sports. दार्जिलिंग पुलिस ने जिस तरह से स्पोर्ट्स को सपोर्ट किया, हम लोग का भी थोड़ा हक बनता है, हम लोग को थोड़ा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बनता है कि वी कम फॉरवर्ड वन स्टेप एटलीस्ट, कम फॉरवर्ड एंड सपोर्ट आवर स्पोर्ट्स कल्चर, बिकॉज इन आवर ब्लड देयर इज अ स्पोर्ट्स, इन एंटायर हिल देयर इज अ स्पोर्ट्स, एंड एंटायर नॉर्थ ईस्ट देयर इज अ स्पोर्ट्स. सो प्लीज हम लोग अपने जगह को स्पोर्ट्स की तरह से पहचान में लेके आता है, तो प्लीज कीप सपोर्टिंग एंड प्लीज लविंग. एंड लास्ट आई वुड लाइक टू थैंक्स Darjeeling Police. They are inviting me as a guest. Thank you so much, and I hope 23rd of December. Maybe I will, if I am free, then I will definitely run 10K. Thank you.
सभी को पता है कि दार्जिलिंग पुलिस इज ऑर्गेनाइजिंग, आप सभी को पता है कि दार्जिलिंग पुलिस इज ऑर्गेनाइजिंग मैराथन फॉर लास्ट 7 years. So this year we are organizing 8th edition of दार्जिलिंग हिल मैराथन, जो कि 3rd of December इस बार ऑर्गेनाइज किया जा रहा है. इसमें 6 कैटेगरी है. 21K में मेल एंड फीमेल 2 कैटेगरी, 10K में अगेन मेल एंड फीमेल 2 कैटेगरीज, एंड 10K में 1 स्पेशल कैटेगरी फॉर पुलिस मेल एंड पुलिस फीमेल. This marathon every year we organize to promote the sports in the hills. ऐसा नहीं only sports, you know Darjeeling is one of the best tourist destination. From all over the world यहाँ पे टूरिस्ट लोग आते हैं. So again Darjeeling Marathon is another attraction to the tourist also. Apart from that we are having the motto Run for Unity. Unity means unite all. Unite all the people of the various age group, unite people from various race, religion, caste, and again unite people of Darjeeling to rest of the world, as all of us we can promote our Queen of Hills.
सर ये रजिस्ट्रेशन कहाँ पर होगा, कौन थाने?
The main guest you can say that since 3rd December is the International Day for Disabled Person, we have our brand ambassador as Major D.P. Singh. Major D.P. Singh is a Kargil War veteran, and he is the solo skydiver of the Asia with disability and the first Blade Runner of India. And for the music performance we are having Zubin Nautiyal, is one of the best singer at this moment in the country.
प्राइज मनी वगैरह क्या है?
Prize money in 21K 1,50,000, 25,000, and 10K 25,000, 15,000 and 10K.
ये मैराथन ओपन है, ये जहाँ से भी participate
Open
कर
half marathon.
सर ये रजिस्ट्रेशन आज से शुरू होगा?
Yes, registration is available in Township, and in all our police station also there will be a help desk. There are 2 helpline numbers through which also you can call and we will guide you. हम आप लोगों को गाइड कर देंगे either in police station in help desk or in over telephone also we can guide, but you have to book, since it's an international event, you have to book through townscript.com. That is why I am telling this, since it's international or national event, through website only. That townscript.com is a website of Book My Show. Anyone of you who are in any of the corner of the world, he can book the ticket, he can book the run for him. Thank you.